Hello, mbote na bino. I am Queen Diambi Kabatuswila Chiyomwata, mukalenga mukaji wa Nkashama, wabakwa Luntu, wa Kasai, wa Congo, from the Democratic Republic of Congo. I am here for a very special occasion that I want to share with you. I received beautiful gifts from my family in the UK, more precisely in Scotland, from Kinkela Wamazulu, who is a high priest of the Kemetic Congo tradition, and he's also an entrepreneur and doing absolutely amazing things. So this message is really for Papa Kinkela and also for the community that is working with him in the UK and everywhere else in the world to produce amazing things. And I'm going to share with you some of the things that I have received that I want to share with you because I have used those products, and I am so very happy to support the Mbikudi brand because it's really an amazing quality and very healthy. And I can see already a much difference in me using some of those products. So I wanted to share with all of you, and I want to make sure that you know that I support the initiative of my people, and I want to make sure that I promote what they do, because when we're doing something great, we have to make sure that we share and then we make it known to the people. So I wanted to show you the whole set of different products for personal care and hygiene, and also for health that I've been, gifted to. I've been gifted from Baba Kinkela and his community. So among the products that I have here, I just want to show you a couple of things that are absolutely amazing that I've been starting to use, and I see a complete difference between the products that we get in the market that are full of chemicals, rough chemicals for our skin and hair, and that are not always good for our bodies because they are not really prepared with the care and the love and also the ancient teaching and wisdom of our forefathers from Africa. Africa has such a great, immense body of knowledge, and that we need to use that knowledge in order to enhance ourselves and our lives. And of course, caring for ourselves is really important to attend to our own personal care. So some of the products that I've received are products such as these. Those are like soap, and they are all organic, natural soap, and they have actually very interesting name. This one is, one of my favorite is the Marcus Garvey soap. And then you have Moringa soap as well. This is a Moringa soap. They all smell absolutely delicious, and they are so refreshing. Moringa. This is hemp a cheesecake. Smells absolutely delicious as well, and very, very leave your skin very, very soft. And then you have also the Black River soap. This is just another example. And the Calendula soap as well. So those are all kinds of different textures and different ingredients that are all natural ingredients. This is the gentle nettle soap, and this is the cappuccino soap. So all of them have different properties, and you can see all the ingredients properly described in the back of each of them, and you can see also the seal of the soap, and it's 100% organic. All of these are 100% organic, so you're gonna love them. You're gonna love the way you feel when you take the perfume of the soap, natural and very holistic, and a very good experience. So that's not finished. When you do that, you have, then I'm using for my hair those care products that are shampoo. They're just bar shampoo that you can have the herbal shampoo. This one is eucalyptus. This one is just a mix of herbs, and they leave your hair nice and feeling really regenerated, and you don't have that feeling of having like a harsh treatment on your natural hair. So this one is the Moringa shampoo. So you can see the soap and the shampoo have a different shape. So those are shampoo bars. So it's not usual. I never seen this before. And so it's the first time I was using shampoo bar on my hair, and I really absolutely love the feeling of the soap, and it's all of course organic and natural. And I really advise our people to use these kind of products when they have natural hair, and a lot of the chemicals out there are really harsh to our hair and our scalps. So we have to really make sure that our scalp. So we have to make sure we use really a good quality products. And these are really cute. As you can see, they have like a design. And then I love the print that you can see is very natural, very very holistic. And then you also have here the composition of the ingredients, so that you are sure of the type of ingredients that you can use for yourself. Then I have also some creams that are very delightful. This is like a foot massage, and very good cream to moisturize your skin or your feet. And this is another one that's absolutely amazing, and it's kind of like a butter, and it's like a butter for the body, so you can use it. It's delicious, absolutely fantastic, smells exquisite. And this one is sweet orange. So, but they have different ones. This one is the one that I received, and I absolutely like this product. It's very exquisite. So then it's not over. You also have hot treatment, so oils that you can use for strengthening your hair. So this is after you use the shampoo. You then have a hot oil treatment. So you just heat the oil a bit, and then you put it on your hair, you massage into your scalp, and then it leaves you feeling refreshed. And you can rinse you can wash your hair after the treatment, and you can rinse. And there is another oil that you can also use. It's different qualities. They have also health products. So those are like a supplement that you can use, and it's not the only one. This is for colon health, so you can take a look at this one. But they have a brochure that I received with all the products that they have, so you can see there is a great diversity of different products. And then they explain what these products are about, and you can also then go on their website to see, and you can definitely make also some inquiries via email. I'm going to give you the website on and the email as well. So the name of the company is Mbikudi. Okay, Mbikudi. So it's Mbikudi. Mbikudi. Okay, that's the name of the company. So you can go on the website, that is www.mbikudi.co.uk. Okay, mbikudi.co.uk. And there you're going to find a lot of great products. And of course, they'll send them to you delivered. And you can also, of course, ask some information at info.mbikudi.co.uk. So if you have questions that you see on the website, that you have questions, they also have a link on the website that you can email them directly. But the reason why I'm doing this is, of course, the product itself is excellent. And I really wanted to share that and say thank you to Tata Kinkela Wamazulu for sharing this and for doing this. And this is what we do. This is the best we do. We take care of ourselves. We are entrepreneur. We create opportunities in our own communities, and we have to support these initiatives. And as the queen of the Luntu people of Kasai, and also as a queen of the African descendants of Brazil, my role is really to be there to share with the world about some of the good things that we are doing, because unfortunately too often our good deeds and our good enterprises are passed under silence, and it's not promoted enough. So we have to take the initiative to promote our own people doing good things. And this is just an example, and I really would love you to give this a try. And this is all that makes me happy as a queen, to see that my people are doing good things to promote themselves, to promote their community, and to promote their genius and their knowledge and their wisdom, and to use that to create valuable quality products like these, and then to put them out there for others to benefit from, because it's beneficial for your health, for your wellness, for your well-being. And just to know that those products were made by hands that were putting all their love into what they were doing, so that you can have the best product to use. It's to support our community. So very much I want to say thank you for these beautiful gifts, and I will definitely continue to speak about them, and definitely encourage my people to follow this example, and to realize that nobody's going to come to help you. You have to help yourself. So taking initiative to do things for yourself that empowers you and empowers your community is the most important message that I wanted to give today. So thank you, Tatu Kinkela Wamazulu, and your community for sending me those gifts that I have been enjoying very, very much.